Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video. I just got the first sample of the painted Superslo28 kit that Jim over at RA Cores did for me. So I thought I would actually unbox this one that Jim sent me so you guys will know what you're getting in the box if you order the painted Superslo kit from Jim at RA Cores. So let's open the box and show you what's inside. I just wanted to get one of the pre-painted kits so you guys will know what you're getting in the box when you order the kits from Jim. So here we go, guys. Dun, dun, dun. So here is the kit, guys. This is what's in the box. As you'll notice here, it says TallguysRC.com. That's me, Superslo28. We have one half of the wing panels, and this is the part of the elevator. Jim has also made a jig here, so when you're putting it all together, you can make sure everything is straight. This is the other half of the wing. You'll see RA Cores on this side. You do get all the included carbon for the wings and the fuselage and the elevator. You get all that. You get a hardware kit, and the hardware kit has the motor mount in it. It has all the plywood control horns and the spacers, and you do get all the pre-bent metal rods for your ailerons and things like that, and you get the metal wire in here to do all your control rods for your elevators and your rudder. And then this is the fuselage and the rudder, and there's the fuselage and the elevators and the rudder, all nice and printed. So white will be on the bottom, of course. Pre-painted is on the top, and we've also put together a basic instruction manual. I took pictures of the one that are originally built, so here's all the pictures that show you how to put the plane together. Jim has put this together for us too. And then also on here, recommendations for motor, prop, and things like this. This thing, as you guys know, if you followed my SD Park flyers back in the day, this goes together with two 5-gram servos for the elevator and the rudder, a 9-gram servo for the ailerons, a 10 or 12 amp speed controller, a Blue Wonder motor, a 1300 kV motor, or 15, or whatever you choose to do. Based on the battery you use, if you're using a 2-cell like 450, you're going to use a 9047 or a 9050 prop, and if you're using a 3-cell, you're going to be using an 8043 slow fly prop. So the link in the description. So I want to thank Jim again for all his hard work to finally get these things out to you guys. So if you're interested in getting a kit, a Superslo28, they are available from racores.com. Thanks guys for the years and years and years of support. We finally got this all figured out. It only took us 14 years to do this. So kits are available finally, painted kits, and I believe Jim's going to sell these two also as unpainted. So follow the link in the description of this video if you're interested in one of the Superslo28 kits. Thanks for watching, guys. Look forward to your videos, see what you guys are doing, and see how you like the new kit. We modified some things slightly to make it easier to build. It still flies the same way the original Superslo28 did. So thanks again, guys. Hope you have a great week, and look forward to videos and the comments below with your inputs on the brand new Superslo28 kit.